Nasa Hilton kami ngayon. Gumagala. Check doon namin yung train display kasi dapat before Christmas dapat namin to ginawa kaso naging super busy na. So, galing kaming West End kanina. And galing birthday party ng children's party pala yun. Ito yung train display ng Hilton. Every year nila ito ginagawa. There. Asan na yung train? Ha? Ayan. Rakuten Travel. Ayan, may bridge sila. Ito yung Guam Daily Post. Mga sponsors. Ay, dumalim yan. Bank of Hawaii. G4S. Ang ganda. Ayun yung train! Hi, handsome! Come on, sit in the train. Come on, come on. Come on. Sit over here. Over here. Sit down. Sit down right here. Sit down there, baby. Go. Go. Sit down. Okay. Sam, you cannot be in there, Sam. I'm telling you, you're gonna break that. You're not a PJ size anymore. There. See? Even PJ knows where to go. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. PJ. Okay. What do you have, Sam? Huh? A chocolate ice cream? Let me see. Just plain ice cream. Where's your croissant? Oh, you finished? Tapos. Boboy, ikaw, what are you eating? Order kami na acai bowl. Ano to? What's this, hon?
Coconut?
No, just like seeds.
Chia seeds.
Ay, sorry. Okay. May banana, may strawberry, may coconut strips, and then chia seeds. And then the granolas. That's all?
That's it.
Yeah, ito yung laman niya. $6 yan. $6. Kasya na sa amin dalawa ni Daddy Pat yan. Busog naman kami eh.
We got some almond nuts, I think.
Huh?
We got some almond nuts.
Almond nuts? Oh, okay. Not bad. $6 only.
See?
Okay, so try namin mag-drive-thru sa Jollibee. Dati kasi pag mag-order ka sa loob, you will have to wait 1 hour, almost 1 hour every time. So sabi ni Daddy Pat, sa drive-thru daw, you will only wait at least 15 minutes. Matagal na daw. Wala, there's so much people.
Yeah. Did you want to show now?
No, I saw one na.
Sign now of Jollibee.
So here, ayan, wala masyadong tao ngayon, pero I still don't wanna go eat there because sa experience ko the last time, grabe ang tagal ng hinintay namin, nagutom ako. So magde-drive-thru tayo ngayon. Ayan. Drive-thru tayo. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal. Tatay, kasi may mga nagsabi matagal pa rin daw sa loob mag-order eh. So tingnan natin. First time kong mag-drive-thru sa Jollibee dito.
Burger with cheese, no cheese.
With.
With cheese.
With cheese, okay.
Okay, and then
2 fries. Fries.
3 French fries.
3 French fries.
And
Okay.
2 sundaes.
And 2 sundaes.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Yes.
1.
2.
2.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
That should be it. And I got
Yes.
I got a $20 gift certificate. Okay.
I'm sorry.
I have a $20 gift certificate.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you.
So ayun, we ordered at 6:29 p.m. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal ang hintay natin. Kasi kung sa loob tayo umorder, I know last time I waited almost an hour. So let's see.
So yeah, we won the round trip now.
Yeah, we won the round trip. And
Just
then
chill.
what else? Yeah, that's what yes. And it's pal.
And you won the Michael Kors bag.
Yes, I was won the Michael Kors bag. What else?
Which one?
What you doing, PJ? Ayan na, tayo na susunod. Medyo mabilis-bilis nga. In fairness. Siguro mag-drive-thru na lang tayo. We should just, you see? It's fast. So, drive-thru is better than eating inside. This is, by the way, Jollibee in Guam, okay, guys? Dito katulad sa Philippines. Sing! Tama sa! Sige natin now. Bakit ka dyan? Uy. Okay, tayo na yung next. Tayo na yung next. Okay, we're next. Ayan. Don't go far.
Hey.
There.
Correct. 35. Okay, 26.
Jollibee GC.
On the light.
Wait, no. Just leave it on.
Because I want to record us. Like all of us.
It's okay, baby.
Like just face us.
Okay. Huh?
Wait for the chicken joy. It's really hot and crispy and it's so delicious. And a Jolly Yum burger. Woo.
I can't wait for my Jolly Burger. There it goes. There's the fries. And the chicken. Oh, my Jolly hot dog and the burger. I think it's complete. Oh no, where's my sundae?
Sorry?
What? Happy birthday.
You see nothing.
Okay, is it a sundae already? Okay, he got it already.
No anything missing?
Yeah, Sunday's missing. Already. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. We're done.
Did you get a receipt? Oh yeah, we did.
You have the receipt. Okay.
Okay, let's go home.
Yay! So we got our order at 6:43 p.m. So actually, the one that took long was the one in front of us. Like they could not decide how they're gonna pay because I saw them giving the guy like something, and then they took it back, and then they gave the guy the card, and then the guy was like giving them the drinks, and then take it back, and then give back the drinks, and then take it back. So that's the one. So in fairness, I'm okay. I'm satisfied with the time I waited. If it wasn't the customer in front of us, I think we got our orders. We would have gotten our orders early. I mean, you know, faster. Yun. So, bakit nag-i-English ako? Ayan, may humabol, reindeers. Han, it's a 3.5 feet, right?
3.5 feet.
Yeah, 3 feet high.
That one.
Dalawang reindeers. Pumunta si Daddy Pat sa Home Depot yesterday. How much is the original price? Yeah, it's like more than $100. Tapos nakuha lang niya for 50% off. So ayan, $50 or less than $50, right? The one that's moving the head is $54. And then the other one, yung steady lang, is $48. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag mamili kayo ng Christmas decorations na ganito kagaganda, 50% off lang sa Home Depot. This is after Christmas. So, pwede siyang gamitin for the next Christmas, diba? Okay, let's go. What's that? Reindeer? What's that, PJ? What's that? Reindeer. Ready, Gus? Huh? Let's go inside now. Ayan na, inumpisahan na namin yung chicken joy namin. May 6 pieces na ano to. Grabe, ang sarap. Bagong luto pa siya. Ate Sam, how are you? How's your chicken? I finished the fries already. The other one over here, busy ka, boy?
Okay, may I have a fries?
Yeah! Ko talaga. Have a little, some of it. Where's your thing? I want you to eat your rice, ha? Please, I'm just eating, French fries there. Baboy, what about you? Eat rice. Eat rice, baboy? Kain ng fries. Eat rice? Huh? Ayaw. Han, eh?
This is the real chicken joy.
The real
Look
chicken.
at that crispy skin. Oh my god, this is
And then,
so crispy and so tasty.
your gravy. You're missing the gravy. Your gravy.
Oh, gravy for the meat.
Huh?
Skin.
You don't need the gravy?
No, I want the skin to be really crispy.
That's what it is. You're eating it wrong.
No, I will put the meat in there.
That's hard. The gravy is supposed to be as soon as you get that.
Yep. Let me see what
You're
this
eating
is.
it wrong. It's just there.
Mmm, yummy.
Awesome. So delicious. Thank you, Jollibee, for bringing chicken joy to Guam. I love it.
Yeah. It's good. Okay. So, paano ba yan? Kain mo na ako. Eh? Kain mo na kami, ha? Right, baby? Okay, say bye! Kain mo na kami. Enjoy ko muna yung chicken joy ko. Bye! Ikaw, how to eat Jollibee fries? Ha? Okay guys, may pahabol na gift na dumating today from Miss Annabelle to Samantha and PJ. Ate Samsam is very excited to open it now, but hold on. Okay, Ate Sam, go ahead. What you have? This, you read it first. Where is it from?
This is from from
Celine
Celine.
and Louise. Lulu.
Oh,
Check what you have.
that's nice.
Yeah. Oh. Huh?
The scent.
Slime. Wow.
Mint chocolate chip berry smoothie and soft serve.
Ooh, this is so nice. You don't have this kind of slime yet, right?
I have the other one, but it's like a different.
Yeah, this is
It's,
different.
That one was.
This is they're like ice cream kind of. Okay, PJ's turn. PJ. Oh, what's that? Thank you. Okay, open the gift. Go, go, go. He's really having fun with this thing. Okay, open your gift. Go, go, go. They poke the IDD. Maybe he's busy. Turn for Dian Dion. Wow, do you like your gift?
I want to check my new one.
Tingnan nyo, affected siya. Madilim yan. Affected siya, ito niya. Ha? Ang bakit? Ha? What? Ayan, bubay, look, look! Look, look! Game over! Okay, come on, come on. Let me fix it. Come on. Come on now. Again? Again? Ay, what'd you do? What happened? There. Where are you going? Come over here. Oh, the blanket. Blanket. Sige, talaga ikaw. Di ka ba pwede mabuhay mo ng blanket? Come. Wala naman. Hindi man yan. Ano? Ayan. And now, almost. Look, almost, look. Na, magkano na siya. Siya yung nasa left. Aba, marunong ah.
Cheese.